These are the Encounter frames, and I will show you how to take out and reinstall the lenses. To take out the lenses, you want to pull the top and bottom part of the frames apart while pushing out the lens. So again, top and bottom part, you pull and push out. Now, to reinstall the lenses, you take the lens and you're going to slide the top and this side of the lens into the grooves over here. When you do, you want to be gentle and make sure that this part is securely in the grooves, and you just push the exposing corner down. So again, this part of the lens into this part of the frame. So gently make sure that they are secured in the grooves and you push the exposed corner down. You should hear a click.